be clear about something. We all support legal immigration. It helped to build America in Texas.
Live on Facebook, Governor Abbott signs a controversial bill into law. The so-called Sanctuary Cities bill is now law. It will take effect September 1st. However, that could be delayed as Texas Democrats are already working to draft a lawsuit. SB4 requires police chiefs and sheriffs to comply fully with federal immigration agents. And that means holding all ICE detainers in jails until the feds can pick them up. Governor Abbott released a statement breaking down the penalties public officials could face if they don't comply. That includes a civil penalty for $25,000 per day of violations, carries a Class A misdemeanor charge, and removal from office.
Elected officials and law enforcement agencies, they don't get to pick and choose which laws they will obey. There are consequences, deadly consequences, to not enforcing the law.
In his Facebook Live broadcast, Governor Abbott singled out Travis County Sheriff.
Yeah, when the bill passed last week, Sheriff Sally Hernandez said she was disappointed but would follow the law. Now, Hernandez drew the ire of the governor back in February when she announced her department would not hold people in jail for immigration officials unless they were accused of a serious crime. Well, people opposing the law, they're already getting ready for a court battle. KXAN's George Rodas joins us live from the state capitol this morning with an in-depth look at what some area lawmakers are calling on the public to do. Good morning.
Good morning, John. Protests are actually expected to kick back up today, those starting yesterday after the bill's signing. Those protesters saying that they're not going to go silently into the shadows. They're going to stand up and fight. State Representative Eddie Rodriguez saying the same thing, that he is going to fight this, and so are Democrats, and Republicans should be prepared for a long battle over the Sanctuary Cities bill. In fact, as you mentioned earlier, Sally mentioned earlier, there is already a lawsuit that has been drafted by lawmakers. Rodriguez represents Austin and Travis County, and in a statement says SB4 will be challenged in court. You can take that to the bank. When Governor Abbott signed SB4 tonight, he also signed a blank check on the taxpayers' behalf to protect yet another blatantly discriminatory law. The bill's supporters say any legal challenge will fall flat, pointing to Arizona's so-called Show Me Your Papers law. That required local police there to ask immigration status if they believed someone was in the U.S. illegally. That part of the Arizona bill was upheld in the U.S. Supreme Court in 2012.
The key policies in this bill, they've already been tested at the United States Supreme Court and approved there. And it simply makes sense. Citizens expect law enforcement officers to enforce the law, and citizens deserve lawbreakers to face legal consequences.
Travis County District Attorney Margaret Moore says she's drafting 2 letters, one for crime victims and one for witnesses to crimes who are undocumented immigrants. They're to carry these letters in case they're detained by ICE immigrants. The letters telling those ICE agents, that these undocumented immigrants are important to ongoing criminal cases. Back to you.